Say good morning, puppy parents. Only a few more days. Only a few more days, Miss Higgins. I know you want her in there. I know you do. She wants you. She wants you. Say good morning. There's Hopper. There's Hopper. I know it. There's Hopper. I know. All right, Melee. Miss Higgins wants you. Miss Higgins wants you. Okay, there you go. Say good morning, everybody. Melee girl. You really want in there, Melee girl? They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger now. Only a few more days. Oh, you want Micah Man? He was already in there. Huh. Okay. Good morning, puppy parents. Oh, where is MJ? Or Melee girl, anyways. And all that. There he comes. Oh, thought twice about it. Forget it. Forget it, he says. Micah Man. What are you doing, Micah Man? What are you doing to Micah demands? Micah Man. Are you over it? Okay, I got things to do. Have a good day.